Welcome to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and insights into the latest vehicles on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Honda CB350, a motorcycle that embodies the perfect blend of classic design and modern innovation. The 2025 Honda CB350 pays homage to its rich heritage while introducing contemporary elements that make it stand out on the road. From the moment you set eyes on it, the bike's retro charm is unmistakable, drawing inspiration from the classic CB series that first hit the streets decades ago. Starting at the front, the CB350 boasts a timeless round LED headlamp encased in a chrome housing. This feature not only enhances visibility but also adds a touch of nostalgia. The sleek turn indicators complement the headlamp, seamlessly blending vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. Moving along the sides, the bike's muscular fuel tank is a statement piece. It features bold Honda badging and a classic teardrop shape, offering both style and practicality. The tank design allows for a comfortable grip, enhancing the rider's control and stability. The CB350's frame is a testament to Honda's engineering prowess. The double cradle frame is not just visually appealing but also optimally designed for rigidity and balance. The exposed frame elements contribute to its raw, mechanical appeal, giving it a rugged yet refined look. At the rear, the bike continues to impress with a minimalist design. The retro-style tail lamp, flanked by compact turn signals, ensures that the rear profile remains clean and uncluttered. The chrome fenders add a layer of sophistication, reflecting Honda's commitment to detail. The exhaust system on the 2025 CB350 is another standout feature. The large, upswept exhaust not only provides a throaty exhaust note but also adds to the bike's visual allure. Finished in chrome, it perfectly balances the retro-modern aesthetic. One cannot overlook the spoked wheels that further amplify its old-school charm. Wrapped in tubeless tires, they offer excellent grip and performance, ensuring the CB350 is as functional as it is fashionable. The bike's color schemes are equally impressive. Honda offers a range of classic and dual-tone options, from matte black to vibrant red and white combinations. These colors not only highlight the bike's contours but also give buyers the freedom to express their individuality. Performance meets design with features like the front and rear disc brakes. Equipped with dual-channel ABS, these components are not just about safety, but they also add a sporty edge to the CB350's overall look. Additionally, the suspension setup, featuring telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, blends seamlessly with the bike's design. It ensures a comfortable ride while maintaining the classic lines of the motorcycle. To sum it up, the 2025 Honda CB350 is a motorcycle that masterfully combines the best of both worlds. Its exterior design is a tribute to Honda's legacy while embracing modern advancements, making it a head-turner on any street. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone new to the world of motorcycles, the CB350's exterior design promises to captivate and inspire. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Honda CB350's exterior design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Drive for more comprehensive reviews and updates. Until next time, ride safe and stay curious.